When a fleet decides they need camera systems, part of the overall investment and total cost of ownership is actually getting the equipment installed on their vehicles. So understanding what that looks like at a high level, we can explain to customers what they need to get equipment installed. So we manage the entire deployment from the inception of the idea that they need cameras all the way through the life cycle of the warranty of the product. And that includes going from site to site to install equipment on vehicles. No fleet today will make a multi-million-dollar investment in camera hardware without a deployment plan. For the internal resources of the company, most of these large fleets have the capability to do this themselves. They have quality, competent people, but they already have tasks. No one wants to take a revenue-generating asset off of the road. And the fact that we work with a lot of our partners, we have the capability to install our equipment with a telematics provider's equipment, with an ELD, with a GPS tracker, all at the same time, so you're downing a revenue-generating asset one time. We use specialized software and project management that allows each piece of the deployment to be mapped out in advance so that we know ahead of time where everything needs to happen, when it needs to happen. Everything comes together with a single point of contact, which makes it much easier for the customer to get the information they need, understanding scheduling, understanding how the deployment is going to flow, training their staff, everything that's necessary to make a successful deployment all in one house. Wherever we're going to be installing, having the face-to-face contact long before we show up on site to actually begin deployments. Having that level of comfort and conversation, transparency and openness makes that whole process super easy. We have sales engineers that'll go on site and scope the entire deployment so we understand everything that's going to be needed and create an installation guide that is specific to that customer so that we have everything we need in place at the right time. This isn't just a job, this is a partnership. This is a mutual relationship that's going to last long after the install, and every ProVision installer knows that. Every ProVision installer treats every vehicle as if it were their own.